2014 to 2020 Chevy Impala front brake replacement. Let's start by compressing the caliper. Remember to remove the reservoir cap when doing that. I already did. Let's start by compressing it. Just like that. Those brakes look original, by the way. This thing is metal to metal. I think I have no pads left. Nothing. Alright. Now let's remove the brake retaining screw right here. It is a T30. It's free now, so let's remove it out of the way. It's out. Let's start by removing the caliper. It is held by 214, right, and the 21mm for the caliper bracket. There's one up top, one at the bottom. Okay. Same thing up the top. Have the caliper on the bungee cord like that. So we're gonna be removing. Look at the brake pads, by the way. Literally metal to metal, metal to metal. So let's remove the caliper bracket now. So I got the brake pads off. So I'm gonna remove those clip, clean those channels, and we grease those pins right here. So I clean the channel where the brake hardware gonna go. Right. I got those pins out. I'm gonna go into re-grease them so they can move freely. Let's take the water off now. I'm gonna use a hammer. Pretty good. We clean up the hub. So let's put the new water in. Alright. Put the brake returning screw in. New water in. The caliper bracket is in. Now I'm about to tie it down. Brake pad is in. Now let's put the caliper in. Don't forget to compress your piston. You will need a C-clamp or a tool like this to do it. You will need to compress it so because the brake pad's on you now. So yeah, and that's it, guys. Everything is in. I'll be doing the other side. Here is the part number for the front loader, by the way. Where is it? That's the part number for the front loader. Here is the part number for the front pads. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.